The Veleco Faster stands as a testament to innovation and reliability, proudly developed by the award-winning Veleco company. With its 4 wheels, this mobility scooter not only delivers high stability, but also prioritizes additional safety, ensuring a secure and enjoyable driving experience. The Veleco Faster boasts a robust construction featuring 4 large wheels, providing exceptional stability and control. This appearance ensures a smooth and reliable ride, even on uneven terrain. The advanced suspension system further enhances the scooter's performance, absorbing shocks and bumps to deliver a comfortable journey every time. One of the key features that sets the Veleco Faster apart is its adjustable seat, allowing users to customize their riding experience to their unique preferences. Whether you prefer a higher vantage point or a lower, more laid-back position, the adaptable seat ensures that you can find the perfect setting for your comfort. Enhancing both safety and visibility, the vehicle comes with a comprehensive lighting system. The LED headlights not only illuminate your path, but also contribute to energy efficiency. Meanwhile, the digital speedometer display keeps you informed about your speed, and the battery level indicator and odometer provide essential information for a worry-free ride. At the heart of the Veleco Faster is a powerful 1000 watts motor, propelling the scooter to an impressive range of up to 60 kilometers. This exceptional range provides users with a newfound sense of freedom and independence, making it an ideal choice for both short trips and more extended journeys. Navigating various terrains is a breeze with the Veleco Faster, thanks to its 3 speed levels that allow users to adjust their speed based on the road's surface. From a leisurely walking pace in the first level to a swift 12 km per hour in the third, this scooter adapts to your preferences and the conditions of the journey. The fully sprung appearance ensures a comfortable ride, and the 4 wheels contribute to stability, particularly when conquering road slopes with gradients up to 30% or 17 degrees. Environmental consciousness is a key feature of the Veleco Faster, as it operates entirely on electric power, emitting 0 CO2 during use. For those seeking even greater convenience, the scooter is available with a removable battery. Positioned under the seat, this battery can be swiftly detached for charging either on the scooter itself or at home, providing flexibility and ease of use. For a smooth and comfortable ride, the Veleco Faster features front and rear suspension, ensuring that bumps and shocks are absorbed, providing optimal comfort on your journeys. The hazard lights add an extra layer of safety, making you more visible to others on the road. Customization is key with the Veleco Faster, offering an adjustable seat position to cater to individual preferences. The USB charging socket ensures that your electronic devices stay powered throughout your ride, and the inclusion of a drink holder and shopping handle adds practicality to your mobility experience. Adaptable to various weather conditions, the Veleco Faster is also available with an optional roof, offering protection from the sun or rain. This feature enhances the scooter's versatility, ensuring that users can confidently venture out in diverse weather conditions. In summary, the Veleco Faster is not just a mobility scooter, it's a reliable companion developed to provide a seamless blend of performance, comfort, and environmental responsibility. Whether it's the powerful motor, adjustable speed levels, emission-free operation, or optional roof, the Veleco Faster redefines mobility with a focus on innovation and user satisfaction. What do you say about the new scooter? I'm interested to know your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.